Viewers and subscribers, as you can see.
You understand? Boy, them fat, you know.
Going to a place where I've never have been to about 30 years or more.
About 10 years ago, we go halfway into this cave.
Home right now. Going to a little place them call Manteet. Manteet. It is a farming area, you know, in and around my little district here. Yeah, a place called Manteet. It is a farming area.
So how long you have been raising pig?
Girl, it's around, roughly around nearly 15 years now.
There's a lot of things there. Yeah.
I have to try this again one more time. Get some friends and then we make a trad and do some videos, you know, that's we can show back.
Stick around because I'm going to show you all about Manteet now in 2023. Stick around.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, man, before me leave, you know, me have to feed my little chicken them. Don't it? Yeah, man. I have to feed my little... Wagwan, pips. Yeah, I have to feed my little chickens. Them have water. I have to check, make sure my plantation up. No animal no go inside here. See, if you want to stick around, whole heap of thing I go on. I have to make sure I'm alright, you know. I have to make sure I'm alright. Watching me in front of the camera and I'm scratching head. I have to scratching head before me left, you know. If I'm not scratching head, yeah, that thing one. Yes, my viewers, just reach a bamboo pipe, bamboo pan crossing. Yeah, the real man, see the pan over there. Yeah, yes, I. Yeah, man. On the hills and valley around that side, Shirley Road. Go and touch that end to one at a time. Yeah, my viewers, it's all about journey to Manteet. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here with a guy by the name of Kingsley.
Yes.
Otherwise, Can, you know?
Yeah, done.
Yeah, Kingsley, it's all about Manteet.
Yeah, man, Manteet is a fruitful place, you know, man. You have a jackfruit tree, you have a coconut tree, yeah, and enough cow around there right now.
Yes.
And we are raise some goat where we make some milk right now. You see what I say?
For real.
So I think this, you know, look how Manteet beautiful and pretty, man. January, you're tag and right round, you know, see? No, man. Yes, I link, man. And Manteet is a beautiful place, man.
Yeah, for real. So,
yeah, man.
So how long you have been going to Manteet? Yeah, blessings, brother.
From a little youth, I went town, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went the first town, you know, man.
All right.
Yeah, sell shoes, clothes, everything, my lord.
Thank you. We do a video on that.
Man. Yes, man. So Manteet is a nice thing, you know, man. But we just grow there, pick fruits, raise cow and goats, so forth, you know. So everything level, man, and a nice bird them round there. You know, so the place pretty, man.
Yes,
just, you know, flowers in the garden, man.
Yes,
Yes, man. Manteet is a beautiful place, man.
For real, for real,
yes,
for real.
Subscribers, you don't know what things set. You see?
All right, my viewers.
Yeah, man.
Kingsley.
Big up,
all right,
man.
more man, I
yes,
see.
Link, side link.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. You hear the man, all right? Don't have to go any further. Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, all right? Yes, I. Almost reach Cockburn Pen. Yeah. Going up the little grade here, the little hill here. Touch the hill of Cockburn Pen. That's what I'm going to say. Yeah. Journey to Manteet. Yes, I. Yeah. Almost reach the top of the hill. Yeah. Alright, 2 entrance to Cockburn Pen. Top road. You have the lower road. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. It's all about the journey to Manteet. Yeah. This is the Cockburn Pen football field. Yeah. Yo, Rasta man! Isis! Yeah man, I shout the Rasta, you know. Rasta do it, yeah? Alright. First thing greet me is a big pen. Alright. This is the first start of Monteith right here. Yeah? This is the first start of Monteith. Alright. As you can see, give you the full history. As you can see is a deep hole here. Yeah. Whoa, apple, Jamaican apple. All right. As you can see here, is a very deep, like it was a deep tank. Yeah, there was some factory here back in the days. See those walls over there? Yeah. Yeah. There was a factory here back in the days. Right here. Have some comfort plant here. Yeah. Very good for diabetes also. Yeah man. Alright my viewers. Stick around. Journey to Monteith. When you hear the name Monteith, you don't know what it's all about. It is a farming area. As you can see, there's a lot of guava tree here. Yeah. So when guava is ripening, whoa, it's a lot. You know what I mean? Yeah. So once you come to Monteith, you have to have some fruit to eat. You can cut a sugar cane. Yeah. If you have a plantation here, you can also dig your yam, cocoa, dasheen, whatsoever. Alright, etc. etc. Yeah. Just reach the point of Monteith right now. Yeah. Just leaving Cockburn Pen, heading on into Monteith, my viewers. It's been a while, it's over 30 plus years since me come here, you know. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, seems like it's a gateway. It's a gateway, yeah. Like them back in the cow here. Yeah, the cows. Don't want the cow, as you can see, the cow feces on the ground. So around here is a place where there's a lot of animal raised. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers, stick around. Heading to Monteith. Yeah, you can hear the clicking of my engine. Alright? Yeah, you can hear the clicking of my engine. Alright? I'm actually standing now in Monteith. I'm in Monteith now. Alright, my viewers? Don't want to get punctured by all these maca on the road here. So yes, my viewers, for anyone who never been here for a while, this is Monteith in 2023. Yeah. Most of these land was cane was plant, sugar cane plant right through here. And as you can see, we meet upon a bamboo. Yeah, a root of bamboo here. Most of the time when you see a bamboo root, you always see a pan. Alright, I guess this pan is one of the pan we used to go to catch fish. Them call it Mr. Dua pan. Yeah. See if any water inside. No water is inside this pan here. Yeah, no water is in this pan here. But as you can see, the bamboo root, yeah, grow tall. Very, very tall. Yeah. Yes, I. Yes, I. Vehicle is on the way. It is not a. This is the main to Monteith, but you know, 1 and 2 vehicles pass through now and then. Seen? Yeah. Blessings, brother, blessings. Seen? Yeah. It's all about man teeth, alright? We're going further. Stick around. Yeah, under here is very cool. Very, very, very cool. Whoa, you don't want to miss out on the coolness here. This is what you get when you enter inside the hills and the valleys, alright, of the cockpit country, alright. Let me reframe myself again. This is what you get when you entered the cockpit country, alright, of Trelawny. Alright, this was an expand. It's dry also. It's dry also. It's dry also. Yeah, heading on. Heading on. Alright, my viewers. Here is a lot of cocoa trees here. Yeah. Whoa. I can smell the taste of cocoa here. Don't know if I can find any, but I can smell. Yeah. I can smell the taste of cocoa. I can smell the taste of cocoa here. Yeah, there's a lot of cocoa tree. There's a lot of rotten one on the trees here. But I can scent the beauty, you know, that rich taste of cocoa. But don't see anyone on tree. Whoa. All of them. Oh, I see a green one here. It is very tall. The tree is very tall. The tree is very tall. This is what I love, my viewers. Inside the hills and the valleys, you know. Give you that fresh air. Alright, this is a spoiled one. That one is spoiled. There is a green one up here. Where can I see it again? Yeah, that is a green one. All right, and here is the next one here. That is the next one. All right. So yes, my viewers, it's kind of early in the morning. What time is it? Just 9 o'clock, 1 after 9. So the time is kind of very bleaky. All right. So yes, my viewers, heading out of these trees here with a lot of cocoa. Don't find a ripe one, so I'm going further. All right. Yeah, this is the one reason why I want to visit back this place after over 30 years. Yeah, as you can see, there's a sign here. Yeah, but look ahead. There are some stumps. You know the meaning of that? The meaning of that here was one of the most beautiful home here in Monteith. Yeah. Don't quite remember the person who used to live here, but some name like I think it was, the person was Legge Grant, something like that. Yeah, I don't really sure, but you know, if anyone who know the information, you can drop it in the comment box below. All right. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, here was a home, you know, almost the crossroad of Monteith here, but we have a further ahead to go, you know. But as you can see, this signified to you, here was a home, you know. Yeah, here was a home. Here was a home. All right. You might be can find knife and fork and spoon and plate, but that if it is metal. All right. So yes, my viewers, but this is the steps, as you can see. This is the step, ladies and gentlemen. There was a house here. Yep. All right. I'm going further. Yes, my viewers, if you just joining in, I'm here in Manteet. I'm here in Manteet. This is my ride. Yeah, I'm soon upgrade to a motorized vehicle. You know what I mean? Soon upgrade. Check on my next channel, Ever Slick Media. Yeah, I have a 3-wheel bike making there. So soon as possible, I'm gonna be riding that 3-wheel bike to go on my hunting. Yeah, my viewers, stick around. There's a lot more to come. Okay, my viewers, we meet on the next bamboo road. And this is one of the ponds we used to catch fish from. Alright? As you can see, it's a large pond. Yeah? It's a large pond. The water comes from all the way, it seems like, up there. But it is a large pond. It has a little bit of water inside. The bamboo is also here. Yeah? So yes, my viewers, we're heading further. And we have a cave somewhere here. There's a cave somewhere here. Yes, my viewers, the pond is dry. Yeah, the pond is dry. And we have a cave. We have a cave here. On my left side here. I'm going to show you shortly. Stick around, don't move, don't touch the remote. Yes, my viewers, this is a cave. I'm going to show you where the cave is. Here is the pond. And here on this side here, the left side of the road, there is a cave. Yes. About 10 years ago, we go halfway into this cave, you know, but we don't journey any further. We turn back because it's getting smaller and smaller, so we go along. But this cave is a cave that it starts from here, but you can go out on the next side of a next main road back to Swansea. Yeah, so don't know if I can go back round that side to give you a view, you know, but this cave here have a entrance about a mile away. All right, so yes, my viewers, as I said, 10 years ago we go inside here. Yeah, we get some cameras and some lights and we go almost halfway into this cave, but we have to turn back, you know. Yeah, have to try this again one more time, get some friends, and then we make a trad and do some videos, you know, that we can show back. All right, my viewers. So yes, if someone should ask where you see this, let them know. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yes, Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about farming. It's all about nature of life. It's all about the wonders of the world. Stick around. We're still in Manteet. I meet up on the next hole here. Meet up on the next hole here. I don't know what's going on inside here, but whoa. This is the next hole, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah. Never checked this one out before. Alright. We're heading off to Manteet. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, we meet on the next pond. There's a lot of pond here. There's a lot of bamboo. Anywhere you see bamboo, you know, water always settle. Alright, we are here at the next pond. Yeah, little water is in this one here. Yeah. Little water is in this one here. Little water is in this one here, my people. Yeah. It's all about man teeth. There's a lot of pan. There's a next cave over there. Yeah. There's rocks all about. Yeah, up here is a rocky side of land, you know what I mean? Yeah, the hills of Manteet. Whoa, that sound creepy. I hear a sound I never hear before in my life. Sound creepy, it look creepy, and it feels creepy. Here is the next bamboo root. Yeah, it's been a while. It's over 30 years. I don't come to this place here. Whoa, what a tree big. My viewers, what a tree big. What kind of tree is this? Whoa. This tree was huge. It did huge, man. My God. Yeah, my viewers. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet. Still journey, still on the journey in Manteet. Yes, I'm actually now in Manteet, alright? So, most of the place around this side now, you see a lot of coconut tree. Yeah, you would see a lot of coconut tree. Yes, guys. This is what me don't like. This is what me not like. Yes, my viewers, don't want to put them on camera because, you know, most people don't like to be on camera, you know what I mean? So I always try my best to put them off. I guess I see an next puddle of water here. When I see the ponds, I don't pass them, you know, because it's all about Manteet. There's a lot of fish catch from here. You know what I mean? And as you can see, like, footstep is here. Oh, the cows. The cow, them come and drink water. What kind of bush is that? Whoa, I wonder if it is a medicine bush. Yeah, look like it have a lot of health benefit, you know what I mean? Look away. Yeah, have some water here. Seems like the cows them come here to drink water. There's a lot of cocoa flowers. Whoa, it's all about the water. Yeah? Alright, my viewers. Yeah, as what I said before, Manteet is a farming area. There's a lot of animals. Alright? Seems like there is a next gate here. I want to go further to those coconut tree. Whoa. Whoa. Hey man, what's up, man? Hey, you guys, you alright? Oh yeah, I'm good, man. Yeah, man, them alright, man. Yeah. Still in Manteet, my viewers. No, man, this goat know me. Oh, you think I come to me? Whoa. Yeah, my viewers. Oh my God, you have 1 foot. Who lick you? Someone lick you on the foot. Oh, Frenard. I look this. A bad luck or a good luck. One wasp pitch on my foot and bite me. My God. When you certify, you know. It's when you certify, you certify. Alright, there's a little whole building here. Yeah, as you can see, there's a whole building. Yeah, in the upland there. That was actually a house. Alright, it was a house. As you can see. Look on the hills and valleys, my viewers. Beautiful, ain't it? Beautiful. Alright, stick around. Ali, Ali, oh! I'm coming to the end of Manteet. Alright, my viewers, I'm gonna show you a little trick here. As you can see, there's a little fence up here. Yeah, as you can see, it's a open lot where them raise cows. But listen, there's a little patch here. When them gonna spray all the cows, them put everyone inside here. Yeah, so you know it is a small space. They can do what them want to do with them, you know what I mean? It's all about raising animal. It's all about Manteet. It's all about a farming area. Seeing all these uplands? Yeah, animals. Yeah, I'm inside the beautiful sunshine of Jamaica in Manteet here. Yeah, inside the cockpit country. Stick around, my viewers. There's a lot of more places to go. So just subscribe to the channel and you will see all those places. I'm on my bike, as you can see here. Yeah. Whoa, don't want to be punched right now. But as you can see, my people, yeah, the road, nice. Manteet road so nice. What you say? Yes, I. The road nice. Alright, my viewers. That is the man of the forest, the king of the forest. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that is a pig farm over there also. All right. Yeah, the bikers transportation. All right. Whoa. This is where you want to farm, my viewers. This is where you want to farm. Why, man teeth look like woman teeth, you know? Yeah? Oh my God, it is only, well, some coconut tree leaf here. Yeah? Some coconut tree leaf here. Wonder if I can find a dry coconut. I guess it's private property, you know. Whoa, my viewers. Whoa, my viewers. Whoa, my viewers. This is where the pretty road ends. This is the end of the pretty road. This is the end of the pretty road, my viewers. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. This is the end of the pretty road. I'm gonna give you a view of the end of the pretty road, but let us start the hills here. Yeah. Don't want to go too far. Here someone is chopping like someone is looking yam stick. But yes, my viewers. The next time around, I'm gonna come and go right through this road here and see where it ends. You know what I mean? Yeah, but for now, it's all about Manteet. This is the end of the pretty road of Manteet, alright? Yeah, it's been over 30 years, don't been here. But trust me, give thanks and praise to the Most High. I'm here. You know what I mean? And I'm rejoicing. Seeing? Seeing. What you mean, man? Blessed love to all my viewers and my subscribers and my unsubscribers. Yeah, it is very easy to be my subscribers. Very easy. You just need an email address and you're good to go. You know what I mean? And don't forget your password. And you're good to go. So yes, my viewers, I'm here. Blessings. Blessings. Blessings and more blessings. To the Most High up above. Selassie. Welcome, my viewers. We are now at the end of Manteet. As you can see, we are the road hen. We are the pretty road hen. Yeah? Alright, my viewers. See that? So yes, my viewers. It's all about farming. It's all about life. It's all about Mother Nature. Love God and live. It's the only way out. I'm going to show you what I bring with me. Stick around. Yes, this is my lunch. This is my lunch. I was planning to see if I find any fruit, but don't find any. And I was hoping I could find a coconut, you know, don't find any. Because do you know that the coconut milk is very good for your health? Yes, it is very powerful, all right? So yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, to subscribe. We are here in Manteet, the beautiful hillside, the hills and valleys. I want to go to see if I find a coconut, but I am afraid. Don't know the place that good, you know what I mean? But seems like someone searched it underneath the tree already. Pick up all the drop on them. Yeah? So it set up my viewers. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I meet up on a guy who have a pig farm here. He's raising pig, you know what I mean? So right now, I'm about to show you guys what's going on with this guy here raising pigs. All right, stick around. Yes, my viewers, it's all about raising something. As you can see the hole here, yeah, the pig them dig it out. Well, there is no one here to disturb. Yeah, when raising pig here, there is no one to disturb. All right, rocks. Whoa, I see a rope. That must be a pig. Yo, I'm afraid of them in the eye. Wait. Yes, my viewers, there's a lot of young one also, you know. Yeah. All right, piglets. The one that smell me, you know. They say, wait, I wish more of that. Yes, I. Oh, wrong way I'm going. Wait, me step in a. Oh, you're afraid of me too. Big afraid of me, think. Yeah, I'm thinking I come to me. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so yeah, what go on, Chucky?
Yeah, man.
What you mean, man? You there?
Yeah, they're not cut this, you know?
What you mean, man? Are you look farm?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you make up one pen.
Yeah, man.
So where you make up a pen? And you're not disturbing anyone here, sir?
No, two dogs. I feel them secure smaller one them.
Oh, secure the smaller one them, that's
Yeah,
dog. Okay.
Yeah.
So dog come about here.
Yeah, man, dog come over when they're ready, man.
Oh yeah, say okay. So you have to make a pen to keep them in.
Yeah, if you keep them in.
Okay, so the dog now jump over.
No, I make it higher.
Oh, you make it higher.
Yeah, I make it higher.
What you mean, Chucky?
I make it higher.
So how long you have been raising pig?
Girl, it's roughly around nearly 15 years now.
Okay, for real man, for real man. So you make something out of pig?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, cause you have a lot. How much young one you have?
I say much younger than around 8 of them.
Okay, yeah, that's money.
Yeah.
That's money. And you do farming also. You're a farmer.
Yeah, I'm a farmer.
Okay, I mean Chucky man. Yeah man. It's all about Jamaican farmers, man. You're live in living colours of England, America, Canada, everywhere in the world.
Man, yeah, man. Them place
For
are
real.
nice, man.
Yeah.
Tell you, man.
So George, I go see you know.
Yes,
man, cause every video we put up George seat, you know.
Oh, because when they knock up your pen.
Oh, you mean, man? Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Chucky, for real, man.
No, see, I may do some of the business with me to send me to raise some hog.
Yes.
And we come on, we buy some diamond, some hog wire.
And fence.
And yeah, man, we do all the thing, you know, It's right round.
Yeah.
I chop out and run the hog wire for me.
Me understand. Pan the tree them.
Yeah, pan the tree them.
Yeah.
The thing and right, you know. But when you get bigger,
Yeah.
me oh, buy the diamond, hog wire, you know.
Wire it round.
A nice circle, if was square.
It goes some man for raise pig.
Yeah.
You can have a lot of pig around here, so man.
Yeah, man.
That's why I say you have to save them from the dog.
Yeah, from the dog. I will say dog kill one of them.
Okay,
Right
okay.
over this one, and if I need.
It's all about life. Well, it's all about me doing a journey to Manteet, you know?
Yeah.
I'm back up on here, so I say I have to put you in the video.
Mm-hmm.
So, alright, I'll make a try again. So,
Yeah, man.
Chucky.
Yeah, man.
more blessings here.
Yeah, man.
I mean, man, and
Yeah.
go and raise the pig them. Yeah, man, for real.
but maybe all of them come closer.
You understand? Boy, them fat, you know?
Them fat no
My
too.
God, yeah? Yes, sir.
And then on this second bad, you know, we just show. That's what I say, dog.
Yeah, yeah, me understand.
That's what I say, dog.
Yeah, yeah. Now, and now come on and go further. I say go on. Yes, my viewers, that was Chucky, hard working man, you know what I mean? Yeah, he's a farmer and he also raised pigs, you know what I mean? Right here in Manteet. Trust me, my viewers, you have to do something. And I'm gonna show you his transport. We pass his transport that he ride along to the farm. Alright? So yeah, my viewers, check the transport. This is Chucky transport, you know. And transport is when him ride come at the farm, come sort out him thing, jump back on it, reach back home. So seeing? Yes, my viewers. It's all about hard working fella. Yo! Yo, make me pass! Make me pass! Yo, make me pass! Yo, make me pass! Make me pass! Yo, make me pass! Make me pass! See there, see there! Yo, get on my road! Get on my road! Yo, Dan! One. What you mean? Yes, it's all about a farming area. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Journey. Make sure say you learn it. Side. So yes, my viewers, come to the end of Manteet, the journey to Manteet, you know what I mean? So right about now, subscribe to see where I'm going next, because I'm going all over the hills and the valleys of Trelawny and where else I can go in Jamaica. Alright, so if you finish watch this video and you want to watch a next video, you can watch this one here. Suppose you don't want to watch that one, you don't have to. You can watch this one over here. My name is Slick, and it's all about farming. It's all about Mother Nature. Peace. One love, my friend. Me see hi them. Sight?